Hey everyone, on today's video I will be showing you guys how to make your fried rice. These are the ingredients that I will be needing for this fried rice. Firstly, my bell pepper, which is also known as sweet pepper, my carrot, my liver, my green beans, and the other ingredients. Firstly, I'll be starting by frying the onion. The oil is like this because I already fried the meat, but I didn't filter the oil, so it's left for you to do it or not. After the onion, the first thing I added was my liver because I'm going to fry them gradually. And after the liver, I'll be going in with my carrot, then green beans, and then later the sweet pepper. Then I will later add all the rest ingredients and then stir together. The reason why I put them gradually is because some of them are stronger than the others. So I went in with carrot first because carrot is stronger than green beans or sweet pepper. After adding everything together, I'm going to cover and leave it for 5 minutes and then go in with my rice. I added the rice gradually and then later I'll stir them together. I'm not using corn nor other color of bell pepper. I'm only using one color, which is the yellow color. So you can add other color if you want to. What I'm adding now is my meat water, and then later I'm going to cover and allow it to get done on the low heat. I noticed that the rice was still very strong, so I added a cup of water to it. Cover it and allow it to get done. And my fried rice is ready. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very easy way and easy method of cooking your fried rice. You just need few things and very easy. You don't even need to fry it. Fry the ingredient first and then later fry the rice and then you mix them together. Just use this method and you will thank me later after using this method. Alright then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on my next video. Please do not forget to also like, share and drop a comment down below. Bye.